Can you imagine if you could access the web by using your voice and natural language requests? No visual content, no hands needed to scroll the pages, just your voice and your hearing. That's the vision guiding the ConWeb project at Politecnico di Milano, which is illustrated in the CHI paper Exploring Challenges for Conversational Web Browsing with Blind and Visually Impaired Users. The first question here is, why do we need a new paradigm for accessing the web? What is wrong with how we browse the web today? The web has evolved over time to accommodate new types of devices and usage scenarios, but still it remains a visual experience. When we land on a website and want to access its content through the visual channel, we simply scroll down the web page until we find what we're looking for. This doesn't apply well to other types of users and scenarios, for example, to blind and visually impaired users. Recent initiatives on inclusive design also highlight that any user can experience situational impairments that temporarily limit visual abilities. To meet these needs, our research wants to promote a new paradigm for web browsing, a departure from the traditional visual paradigm that requires users to translate their goals into action on a visual user interface. Our research proposes ConWeb, a new interaction paradigm for the web that allows users to access websites by expressing their goals in dialogue-based interaction mediated by a conversational agent. The new conversational paradigm provides utterances interpretation, user intent translation into automatic navigation commands, construction of the natural language responses. This idea opens up a lot of interesting challenges that can be summarized into main questions. The first question is how to design effective conversational access to the web. Then, from a more technical side, we need to understand how to turn web pages into dialogues. To answer the first question, we followed a human-centered process involving a total of 26 blind and visually impaired users, and we identified a design space highlighting prominent challenges and related design dimensions from the ConWeb paradigm. The methodology we followed covered online surveys, interviews with assistive technologies experts and blind visually impaired users, and in-presence focus group and co-design sessions. The users' ideas helped identify important insights and suggested design dimensions that can drive definition of design patterns from the conversational web, like the ones shown here. More details on our work and on the results we gained so far are available in our paper. Thank you for listening, and please do not hesitate to contact us for further information.